Good morning, students. In the topic numbers, we discussed the definition and types of numbers, that is singular and plural, as well as how to convert singular number or singular noun into plural noun. And we have finished two rules, that is rule number 1, just generally we add yes to it, and rule number 2 means if a certain letters, if the given words have these letters at the end letters as the end letters, then we should add es to it, then it becomes plural. Okay, we discussed up to this. Now in today's session we are going to learn about rule 3, 4 and as many. Okay, let us see what is rule 3 and how can we change singular words as plural words by using rule 3. Let us see. First, nouns ending with y means rule 3 tells about the nouns which has y as the last letter. Okay, ending with y and preceded by a vowel. Preceded by a vowel means, you know, vowel means a, e, I, o, u. Means if the nouns have y as the last letter, as well as before this y, if any vowel letter is there, either it is a, e, I, o or u. Means y before this letter, any vowel, y, o means a, e, I, o, u. Then how to convert it as plural? Let us form their plural by adding s to it. Means particularly this rule 3 is referred to the words or nouns which have y as the last letter, and before this letter if any vowel is there, then by adding s at the last of it we can make plurals. Okay, as the example is given, that is boy, boys. See here, y is the last letter and before this letter vowel is there, yes or no? That is o. So just by adding s to it we can make the plural, so it becomes boys. Next, toy, toys. Next, day, days. See here, y is there, it is as last letter, and before this y vowel is there, a, yes or no? So day, days. Next, monkey, y is the last letter and before this letter vowel is there, e. So monkey becomes monkeys. This is the plural form of this word. Okay, in the same way remaining on. Try to write the examples of rule 3. Okay, it means you have to choose the nouns which have y as the last letter and before this letter vowel should be there. Okay, and try to convert them as plurals by just adding yes to it. Okay, you understand rule 3? Very good. Let us move to the next rule, that is rule 4. What is rule 4? Let us see. Nouns ending with y. In the rule 3, the same thing is there, that if the nouns have a last letter as y, but in rule 4 and preceded by a consonant. See, in rule 3 there is a vowel, yes or no? There is a vowel, but here if y has last letter as well as it is preceded by consonant. Consonant means before y consonant letter should be there. What is consonant letter? In an alphabet, the letters which are other than vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Means A, E, I, O, U chhod ke our remaining letters are called consonants. Okay, see, look at the first noun, baby. Here y is last letter and before y there is consonant b. Yes sir. For this type of words or nouns, what is the rule? Let us see. Nouns ending with y and preceded by a consonant is formed plural means is formed plural by changing, means we can make the plurals of these type of words by changing y to I, means we have to cut this y, means we have to take out this I. This y should be removed from here, means in place of y we have to write I, means in place of y we need to write I here and then putting es. After removing y we write I there and then after I es should be added. Okay, es should be added, then it becomes the plural. See, look at the example now. Baby, y is last letter and before it one consonant is there. So what we have to follow? We have to follow the rule number 4. So first remove y को हटाना है. Okay, remove y and write I, baby, and then putting es, babies. Okay, see, look at the second example. Lady, y before consonant is there. Lady, remove y and place I, lady, and then put es, ladies. Okay, see, sky, last letter is y and this is consonant, so we have to remove y, then I and es should be added at the last, so it becomes skies. Okay, see, city, the same way cities, and country, countries, story, stories. And remember, rule number 4 is very important. Okay, mostly in exams we have a chance to get these type of words. Okay, see, baby, babies. What is the rule? Just when the word which has y as a last letter preceded by a consonant, means before this letter if consonant is there, then we should remove y and in place of y we need to write I and then add es to it, then becomes plural. Okay, simple. See, look at the examples. Baby, babies, lady, ladies, sky, skies, like this. Okay, this is rule number 4. In next class we will discuss the remaining rules. Okay, thank you.